We are driving. Woohoo! Rachel's driving. She said hi. There's Jessica in the back. Hi. Woohoo! And there's me in the passenger seat. Woohoo! And there's Jeanette. And yeah.
Guess what, guys? We just finished finals.
Woohoo!
Superhero
Styling shop. Woohoo! This is Simi Valley.
Park. Not in Simi, hon. We're in Moore Park.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. So, I don't know. That's why I gotta see you guys the water. It's so beautiful. Okay.
Oh, we're almost near the sand dune, Jessica.
Right. Dun, 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 dun.
Almost there.
I'm gonna call this Mugu State Beach.
You think so?
Because there's this thing that says Mugu State Beach.
Oh.
Oh, the place where that guy's going is called Dog Beach. Or is this Sycamore Cove Beach? I don't know.
Oh, looky here at the beach. La 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 la. Nice walks on the beach. Oh yeah, there's a random guy fishing. Look it. Fishing tail. He's fishing. Can you catch anything? Maybe he'll catch something. Yeah. At the boardwalk. This is what we've been reduced to. Okay.
Slave dress.
Slave. No, we're kidding. It's not. Okay. Hold on.
But we're not getting paid, so I demand.
This
work.
For
Yeah, well, technically we got paid this week, but anyway.
yeah. I'm done talking for now because we're going to get back to it when my mom catches us.